I just wanted to make an unsolicited video, not promotional for me in any way, not paid, not sponsored. This is the person in Italy that I've ordered my 66 Ford four-door crew cab truck, which is coming up in this video, that one. I ordered that truck from him. He's got several trucks, SUVs, vans, cars available in 132 scale. He also does them in 143 scale. He's got dozens and dozens and dozens of wheels available also, not necessarily for Orlandoos. He makes these for slot cars, and you can use them for 132 scale or 143 scale RC cars. I plan on building mine. It's a 160 millimeter chassis I have for Orlandoo Hunter. I just wanted to show some of the bodies that he's got. It's a really nice Land Rover Toyota. Yeah.